I do remember once, actually quite often, that I used internet to talk out mathematical problems. So we're allowed to use calculator, the sort of engineering calculator when we're taking examinations. We also use them during our daily assignments. And what this portable device is capable to do is arithmetic. So from simple calculation, plus minus, to trigonometry, logarithm, etc. But the problem is that mathematics is not simply concerning values. It would also require you to do proving, deriving identities, and even some advanced theorems like calculus, which you cannot acquire answers straightforwardly. So that's the time when you consult the note or internet. I think at that time I was looking for answers of a complex multiple integration question, and I accidentally found a website which literally shows all the process step by step with a complete solution, no matter what calculus problem you key in. So, well, I mean, that's marvelous indeed. I don't know what are the sophisticated computing codes and formulas they use to perform this genuinely remarkable web page, but it's really helpful. It's just like a full-day calculus tutor with infinite patience situated right next to you wherever you go. I think the most intriguing and inspiring part of this particular experience is how I use these external tools online to solve one practical question based on several minor ones, combining each individual task and technique to manage this complicated mathematical problem. Mainly through the internet. There are portable devices, smartphones and tablets, and so on. And I think reading paper books and newspapers still accounts a quite considerable percentage when people are searching for something, but it's decreasing now with time. First of all, I think most libraries provide newspaper. In fact, many libraries are known as their complete collection of newspaper. So, well, if it is referring to the difference between books and newspapers, I will cite that books are more specified for a particular purpose, for a particular purpose, let's say telling a story or illustrating a specific field of knowledge. In the contrary, newspapers are more like a composite of a variety of latest information, a more diversified and diffused publication. So when we read a book, we usually start from the preface, chapter by chapter, until finish the whole book. Newspapers, on the other hand, people select and read the sections they are interested in only. I don't think there is anyone who would read the entire newspaper. I mean, there are quite many insignificant and useless messages on it. Well, it's 21st century, people stick on their phones every single day, so as the internet. Therefore, we're interacting a wide range of information. While we're online, and that is the centerpiece of internet, sharing data. But whether we're learning something or not is another matter. I would say in most occasions people are just browsing this flow of data, wandering around without really paying serious attention to learn something, just to amuse ourselves by this superficial entertainment. But that's what we do. That's what a normal human being needed. Fair enough, I do believe Chinese people use internet to learn things, but in most cases, when we're even reluctant to be educated at school, it is unrealistic to expect that we like to learn something online. There are a few obvious advantages. It is convenient as long as you have the access to Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can search anything you're up to, wherever you are. It is the most versatile and comprehensive place where you can resolve your doubts. You have the Wikipedia, distinct forums related to different aspects, website designed for asking questions. And I don't think there is a problem that cannot be answered on the internet. The only problem is whether you know the most appropriate way to describe it. What keywords you should have key in. And the biggest challenge, actually, which is also the most significant disadvantage, is whether you have the ability to distinguish the correctness of the information from fake news that's being spread on purpose, to rumors and misconceptions which occur due to people's misunderstanding or lack of expertise, or just simply being incautious. It is hard to tell. So it is of paramount importance to get your information from trustworthy websites or sources.